Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Coinomi wallet. First, in order to buy crypto with Coinomi, make sure that you've downloaded the Coinomi application on your mobile device and you are logged into your wallet. Once you're inside your wallet, you can easily buy all your favorite coins directly via BTC Direct. Now from the main interface, tap on the plus icon in the bottom right and tap on Add Coins option. Select the coins you'd like to add on your wallet by giving them a tap and tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Enter your password for your Coinomi wallet to unlock your wallet and tap on Unlock. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add more assets or coins on your Coinomi wallet. From the main home page, you'll need to first connect your Coinomi wallet to BTC Direct account. So in order to do that, tap on the horizontal bars at the top left-hand corner and from the options under buy and sell, tap on this crypto option over here, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Now, select the coin you'd like to buy from the top of the screen. In today's video, we're going to buy some Bitcoin, so let's select BTC. Now, enter the amount of BTC you are willing to purchase and then enter the amount you are willing to spend. Select your payment method from the payment method drop down and select your coin account you want to receive funds on. Your transaction cost and your total cost will be displayed at the bottom. You'll need to log in to complete any purchase, so tap on the login button at the bottom. Now link your BTC Direct account to your Coinomi wallet by selecting link with BTC Direct and follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to buy Bitcoin with Coinomi. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.